In a world that often prioritizes being the loudest or the fastest, the quiet strength of a wise man stands as a lighthouse in a storm. Being wise isn't about having all the answers. It's about having the perspective to ask the right questions. 1. The mastery of emotion. A wise man is not a slave to his impulses. While others are swept away by the winds of anger or the highs of temporary success, he remains grounded. He understands that reaction is a choice. This inner stillness allows him to navigate crises with a level head, providing a sense of security not just for himself, but for everyone around him. 2. Clarity over clutter. We live in an age of information overload, but a wise man seeks discernment. He has the rare ability to filter out the noise and focus on what truly matters: character, legacy, and deep connection. Because he isn't distracted by the trivial, his life feels spacious and purposeful rather than frantic and hollow. 3. The power of the long view. Where the average person seeks immediate gratification, the wise man looks at the horizon. He understands the law of sowing and reaping. By making decisions based on long-term consequences rather than short-term gains, he builds a life of stability and honor. He knows that a reputation takes a lifetime to build, but only a moment to break. 4. Influence through humility. The most profound mark of a wise man is that he knows how much he doesn't know. This humility makes him a lifelong student. People are naturally drawn to him, not because he lectures them, but because he listens. His influence isn't forced through authority. It is earned through integrity and empathy. 5. Freedom from the need to prove. Perhaps the greatest gift of wisdom is the end of the ego war. A wise man no longer feels the need to win every argument or be seen as the most important person in the room.